The world of robotics is on the edge of a major breakthrough. For years, enthusiasts, engineers, and tech fans have speculated about Tesla's humanoid robot, Optimus, and its potential. Now, Elon Musk has confirmed that Optimus Gen 3 is real, and the public reveal could happen any day. This announcement is more than a simple tech update. It signals a significant shift in the way humans interact with machines, automation, and artificial intelligence. Tesla has long been known for pushing the boundaries of technology, from electric vehicles to self-driving software. The Optimus project takes this innovation into the realm of humanoid robotics, promising a future where robots can perform tasks that are repetitive, dangerous, or even mundane, giving humans more freedom to focus on creative and strategic work. Optimus Gen 3 is not just an incremental upgrade. It is a leap forward in mechanical design, artificial intelligence, and human-robot interaction. The evolution of TeslaBot began with the initial prototype, which was unveiled as a concept model. Early demonstrations showed basic movement, simple object handling, and rudimentary walking capabilities. While impressive, it was clear that the first-generation robot had limitations. The movements were stiff, the AI capabilities were limited, and the tasks it could perform were mostly symbolic rather than practical. However, these early prototypes laid the foundation for Tesla's long-term vision. A robot capable of learning, adapting, and functioning alongside humans in real environments. With Gen 2, Tesla introduced smoother motion, enhanced AI perception, and improved dexterity. Its hands could perform complex manipulations, and it began to exhibit a level of fluidity that hinted at future potential. Even then, some critics questioned whether Tesla could truly achieve a humanoid robot capable of outperforming human-able bodies in real-world tasks. Gen 3 is Tesla's response to that skepticism, a fully integrated system that combines advanced mechanics, artificial intelligence, and energy efficiency. At first glance, the design of Optimus Gen 3 is striking. The robot is taller, leaner, and more human-like than previous models. Every joint has been optimized for maximum flexibility and balance. Engineers focused on lightweight materials that provide strength without compromising mobility. Advanced alloys and composites allow the robot to perform physically demanding tasks while consuming minimal energy. This careful balance of strength and efficiency is crucial, as the robot must be capable of sustained operation without overheating or draining its power source too quickly. The hands of Gen 3 are a marvel of engineering. Each hand has 22 degrees of freedom, allowing it to twist, rotate, grasp, and manipulate objects with unprecedented precision. From assembling delicate machinery to picking up fragile items, the dexterity of Optimus Gen 3 rivals that of a human. Tesla has reportedly spent thousands of hours refining the hand mechanics, ensuring that each finger can move independently while coordinating perfectly with the rest of the body. This level of control is essential for performing a wide range of tasks, from industrial applications to household chores. Beyond mechanical design, the AI behind Gen 3 represents a massive leap forward. Tesla's proprietary neural networks allow the robot to learn in real time, adapt to unexpected situations, and make decisions dynamically. Unlike traditional robots that follow pre-programmed instructions, Optimus Gen 3 can observe humans performing a task and replicate it almost immediately. This means that the robot can perform new tasks without requiring complex coding or human intervention. It can learn, improve, and optimize its actions over time, making it one of the most advanced humanoid robots ever developed. Mobility is another area where Gen 3 excels. Improved actuators, sensors, and balance algorithms allow the robot to walk, run, climb stairs, and navigate uneven terrain with surprising stability. Observers of early footage have noted its fluid movement and natural gait, which mimics human motion more closely than any previous model. This ability to move dynamically is not just impressive from a technical standpoint. It is essential for integrating the robot into human environments where conditions are unpredictable and obstacles are common. Safety has been a primary concern for Tesla throughout the development of Optimus. Elon Musk has emphasized that these robots are designed to assist humans, not replace them. Gen 3 is built to handle dangerous or repetitive tasks, reducing the risk of injury in industrial settings or hazardous environments. At the same time, safety protocols have been embedded into the software to prevent accidental harm to humans or damage to property. Tesla engineers reportedly use a combination of sensors, AI decision-making, and fail-safe mechanisms to ensure that the robot operates responsibly and predictably. The potential applications for Gen 3 are vast. In factories, it can assist on assembly lines, handle heavy machinery, or manage logistics in warehouses. At home, it could perform chores, assist the elderly, or provide general assistance to humans in daily tasks. In emergency situations, Optimus could enter hazardous areas that are unsafe for humans, such as disaster zones, firefighting operations, or chemical spill sites. By combining physical strength with advanced AI perception, it is capable of analyzing environments and responding intelligently to complex challenges. Tesla's AI approach is unique. While most industrial robots rely on pre-programmed routines, Gen 3 uses neural networks that learn and adapt over time. This means the robot can evaluate a task, determine the optimal approach, and execute it efficiently, even when circumstances change. For example, if asked to stack boxes, Gen 3 can calculate the best grip, placement, and sequence, adjusting its movements to prevent errors or damage. This is a significant departure from traditional robotics and brings the concept of intelligent, autonomous machines closer to reality. One of the most exciting aspects of Gen 3 is its human-like perception. Advanced cameras, LiDAR sensors, and AI algorithms allow it to recognize objects, people, and environmental hazards with high accuracy. It can detect obstacles, identify human gestures, and respond appropriately to social cues. This level of perception is crucial for robots that will interact closely with humans, ensuring they operate safely and effectively in shared spaces. Energy efficiency has also been a focus for Tesla. Gen 3 features optimized battery systems that allow for extended operation, reducing downtime and increasing practicality for real-world applications. By carefully balancing power consumption with performance, Tesla ensures that the robot can operate continuously for hours without requiring frequent recharging. This is particularly important in industrial and emergency settings where downtime could be costly or dangerous. Elon Musk's vision for Optimus goes beyond functionality. He envisions a future where robots handle the repetitive, dangerous, or mundane aspects of work, allowing humans to focus on creative, strategic, and social activities. While concerns about workforce displacement are understandable, Musk believes that widespread adoption of humanoid robots will ultimately enhance productivity and improve quality of life. By automating tasks that are hazardous or tedious, humans are freed to pursue innovation, education, and meaningful contributions to society. Early footage of Gen 3, though limited, has already generated excitement. Observers report seeing the robot perform basic tasks such as walking, picking up objects, and navigating obstacles with remarkable fluidity. Its speed and coordination suggest that it could operate effectively alongside humans, handling tasks that were previously considered too complex or dangerous for machines. These glimpses into its capabilities have fueled anticipation for the official reveal. Ethical considerations remain a topic of discussion. As humanoid robots become more capable, society must address questions about privacy, safety, and dependency. Tesla has reportedly implemented strict safety protocols to mitigate risks, but broader societal conversations will be necessary as robots become integrated into everyday life. Questions about regulation, oversight, and responsible use will be critical to ensuring that the technology benefits humanity without causing unintended harm. The official reveal of Optimus Gen 3 will likely redefine public perception of robotics. With advanced mobility, human-like dexterity, and AI intelligence, it demonstrates that the future of machines is moving rapidly toward integration with human life. From industrial applications to personal assistance, the potential for these robots is enormous, and Tesla is positioning itself at the forefront of this revolution. Elon Musk has repeatedly emphasized that Optimus is a tool for humanity, designed to complement human capabilities rather than replace them. By taking on repetitive or dangerous tasks, robots like Gen 3 can reduce risk, improve efficiency, and enable humans to focus on higher-level thinking, creativity, and innovation. This vision of collaboration between humans and machines represents a new paradigm in technology. As the reveal draws closer, the world watches with anticipation. Will Gen 3 meet the lofty expectations set by Tesla and Musk? Early indications suggest that it may surpass them. With real-time learning, advanced mobility, and human-like perception, this robot could change the way we live, work, and interact with machines forever. The potential impact extends beyond technology. Optimus Gen 3 could influence economics, labor markets, education, and social interaction. By automating tasks that are repetitive or dangerous, humans are freed to pursue innovation, research, and creative endeavors. In this sense, the robot is not just a marvel of engineering, it is a catalyst for societal transformation. Tesla's Optimus Gen 3 represents a milestone in humanoid robotics. The combination of advanced AI, superior mechanical design, and energy efficiency makes it one of the most promising robots ever developed. As Elon Musk prepares to reveal Gen 3 to the world, we stand on the brink of a new era, one where humans and robots coexist, collaborate, and shape the future together. The public reveal of Gen 3 will undoubtedly mark a turning point in technology. For those who have followed Tesla's robotics journey, it is a moment of validation and excitement. For the broader world, it is a glimpse into the possibilities that lie ahead, where intelligent, adaptable robots become part of our daily lives. As we await the official unveiling, one thing is clear: the future is closer than we think, and Optimus Gen 3 is leading the way. From factories to homes, from mundane tasks to complex challenges, this humanoid robot promises to reshape our understanding of automation, AI, and the potential of human-robot collaboration.